Hello, it's Helen here. Let's make these fancy Sesame Purple Yam Cookies together. Purple sweet potatoes are a great source of potassium, fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These cookies taste so crunchy and yummy. This will be a nice snack for you and your kids to take. Here are all ingredients you need. Cut the purple yam into smaller cubes. It helps the steaming process much easier. You can choose any other sweet potatoes as you want. When the water is boiled, steam at the high heat for 15 minutes. Smash the purple yams with your fork. Caution, the bowl is extremely hot. Add the room temperature butter. Add the cake flour. Mix the butter and flour. Make sure all the butter is coated with flour. You can just use the fork to finish this step. Add in the sugar and mashed purple yam. Use your fork to mix them briefly. Use your hand to mix them well. You want to rotate the bowl for evenly mixing. If it's too dry, you just want to add a bit of the milker to make sure it's consistent. Now, let's take the rolling pin to roll and roll your dough. Remember, you want to roll it into approximately rectangle shape. It will be an interesting process and also the time consuming. But no worries, I'm here with you. Wow! Now we get a sheet is around 3 millimeters. Just use the rolling pin to reform the shape. Drizzle some sesame. You can put as much as you like. Press gently with the rolling pin. We want to put these into the freezer for 20 minutes before cutting. Preheat the oven for 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Now 20 minutes is up. So excited to cut them into smaller rectangles. Put in the baking pan evenly and put into the oven at 340 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. When time's up, turn to 300 Fahrenheit to bake for another 15 minutes. After 14 minutes, please don't take out the cookies. Wait them to cool down in the oven. It takes around 40 minutes to cool down in the oven. This is the secret to get the crunchy cookies. If the cookies is not crunchy enough, you can pull them back to the oven at 340 Fahrenheit for another 15 minutes. I'm sure you get your yummy cookies already. Let's enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more food recipes.